I go back to Maddie Salinas, who's standing by live at the American Bank Center with some very, very special guests. Maddie.
Hey, good morning, Coastal Bend. Thank you for coming back and joining us. We had some technical difficulties, nothing we can't fix, but we're back. We're also back with beautiful Mowgli. Mowgli's here with us, and Tom with Matthew CCAC is here with us as well. You guys are partnering with Buc Days for the very first time. We're at the info booth. This is a place where people can find information, get directions, get everything they need to know, but there's also something really cool going on. What else can they do when they get here?
They can come down and sign up for a free air conditioner. We are in the process of meeting with everybody down here, and they can come down, meet with us, get their information here, and they can sign up to win a free air conditioner. No strings attached.
There you go. So asking a question could lead to you getting a free air conditioner. But I wanted to ask you, being a part of something like this is really, really special. This is a Coastal Bend staple, Buc Days. Kind of tell me what it feels like to even be a part of something as big as Buc Days.
We're so excited to be down here sponsoring the shops at Treasure Island, meeting with the community. That's a big thing that we're pushing right now, is just being a part of things. And this is definitely the biggest one in Corpus Christi. And so we're just very, very happy to be here, and can't wait to meet everybody.
And Mowgli is also a staple in the Coastal Bend. I don't know if you guys know it or not. He's everywhere. Kind of tell us a little bit about Mowgli and how he kind of has been greeting people here at Buc Days.
Yeah, Mowgli is a 7-year-old Bernese mountain dog. He's been with me since day one, and he's now, as you can see, on our logo, and people love him. If you want to stop by our booth here, you can meet him.
And what are you most looking forward to at Buc Days? You still have a whole week of events going on. What are you most looking forward to?
So we're looking forward to the 6th with the Youth Rodeo. We are sponsoring that night as well. Mowgli's going to be giving out all the awards and stuff for the youth rodeo riders.
Well, there you go. You guys can meet Mowgli. You guys, the info booth is right here. Ask any question you want. They will be able to answer that for you. And you could also win a free AC. But guys, we're going to have more coming up in about 30 minutes. I'm going to toss it back to Rudy and Barbie for now. We'll see you guys in just a second.